be a part of the James Island Connector Run.
We have music, we have food, we have a beer garden.
How often do you get to cross the bridge and get to look at that beautiful view without driving over it?
I mean, it's just a wonderful opportunity to, experience a world-class city from a different vantage point.
We have jump castles and other things for the smaller children to participate.
It's a great community event. You get to meet all these people who are coming together for a cause.
It is also helping a great cause with the foundation and raising money for scholarships.
For those of you who have not run before, please do. I'm going to run this year for the first time to help support the foundation.
It is a very important event. It raises funds for students with disabilities.
Bring family, friends, and know that all the funds that are raised are going to help students with disabilities.
Guys, get up, come on, let's go. Unbelievable cause.
I will see you
At this year's
James Island Connector Run.
James Island Connector Run.
James Island Connector Run.
James Island Connector Run.